Welcome everyone. In this short video, I will walk you through how Modelon Impact makes it incredibly easy to run parameter sweeps, specifically weather file sweeps using multi-execution and multi-core simulations. Modelon Impact is a cloud-native system modeling and simulation platform built on open standards that helps engineering teams design and optimize complex physical systems faster. Impact's no-install browser environment, automatic dependency handling, and multi-execution capabilities make it ideal for rapid scenario testing, optimization studies, and large simulation batches, exactly what we will look at today. With that background, let's jump into today's example, running the buildings library model, data center continuous time control, using multiple weather data files, and how to avoid recompilation. Now, a common challenge with this kind of model is climate sensitivity. What happens when you need to test it across multiple locations, swapping weather files one by one, rerunning each time, waiting for recompilation? It adds up fast. Here is how to do all of that in one go in Modelon Impact with just a few lines of code. I have duplicated the data center continuous time control model to my working package, and I have added 3 weather files to the resources folder. Let's look into the code. The line 12 index is an integer parameter. That is what we will sweep over to step through each weather file. Line 13 sheet name is an array of 3 strings containing the weather file identifiers. Line 14 path name constructs the path to the resources folder where the files stay. These 3 parameters work together on line 4, where the weather data file is now selected dynamically based on the index. That's it, the model is ready. In experiment mode, we will run a sweep over the index parameter. Let's click on simulate. Here is why this is faster than it might look. Normally, changing a file reference in a model triggers a full recompilation, which on a complex model can take several minutes. Because we are only changing a parameter value, not the model structure, Impact skips recompilation entirely in this case. The model stays compiled and only the data changes. Let's look into the results. Each case represents the results for a weather file. I'm plotting the temperature of condenser water leaving the cooling tower. And here we go. 3 results, 3 different climates ready to compare. It is to be added that with the productivity 4 profile, running these in parallel takes a fraction of the time it would usually take. Thanks for watching. For more details on Modelon Impact, visit www.modelon.com.